Walmart and I did a quick Ibotta haul. I had a couple bonus rebates. I had a Weekend Warrior rebate and I had a pumpkin spice rebate, which was for 22 offers. So I did a couple offers last week, so I just wanted to finish that one out as well. I'm also working towards my top 20 saver bonus, which is 70 offers and you get $20 back. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and give the video a thumbs up. So let's dive into the deals. First deal is on the wafer bars. They're the Nature Valley wafer bars. There's a couple different varieties. I got the peanut butter chocolate. There's also just a peanut butter one. These are $3.48. Riley, gotta be quiet. There is a 50-cent coupon from the 9.5 Smart Source insert that you can go ahead and use. You're gonna pay $2.98. You're gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta, so it's gonna be just $2.48 for these. The next deal is on these Hormel Roll-Ups. There's a couple different kinds. There's a pepperoni one as well. I got the turkey and cheddar. It's 15 grams of protein, so not a bad snack. They are $1.67, and you're gonna get $1 back on Ibotta, so it's gonna be just 67 cents. So that is not a bad deal there. The Orcos Pro Fuel that you see over here, I already ate it or drank it, so that's why I don't have it to show you. They are $1.96. You're gonna get 75 cents back on Ibotta, so it's gonna be just $1.21. The next deal is on the Knorr rice sides. This is the 8.8 ounce. There's a smaller one as well, so make sure you're checking that. These are $1.84. You're gonna get back 50 cents. It's gonna be just $1.34. A lot of different varieties as well. There's like a broccoli cheddar, there's this olive oil one as well. So just see which one works for you and make sure you're clicking that rebate because there's one per. So if you wanted to do multiple, you can, and then you're gonna get all those different rebates towards your bonuses. The next deal is on the Equal Plus. There is a separate Equal that's not the Plus, it's just Equal. There's different rebates for that. I did the Plus because it wound up being cheaper. These are $3.47. There is a $2 off coupon from the 9.8 Smart Source that I used, and then Ibotta is gonna give you back 75 cents. So it makes it just 72 cents, and there's 100 packets in here. There's a couple different Plus versions. I got the caffeine and vitamin B12 for energy. So that's the one I got. There was another one, I think it was like vitamin C or something. So whichever one you want to get, doesn't matter. Make sure you scan the barcode so you can make sure that it does work with that Ibotta rebate. So everyone has been posting this one. It is a freebie. It is for the cinnamon roll Phillos. I haven't tried them yet. Check your rebates. Last week, mine was buy two, get $3 back. This week, it was just buy one, get $3 back. So make sure you're checking that. If it is buy two, unless you eat the cereal or you have kids that really eat the cereal, I wouldn't recommend doing it. This one wound up being completely free for me, so I wanted to give it a shot. They are $3, and this is the family size. This is the big one. So they're $3. Ibotta gives you back $3. It makes it a really good freebie right here. So then I got the Butterball All Natural Turkey Burgers. There's also just the ground turkey. It's for any variety. I scanned it to make sure it was gonna work, and it did. So I use these for meal prepping. They're a little expensive, but it got me an Ibotta rebate back, and I use it for meal prepping, so I wound up saving a little bit as well. So it was a win-win. They are, how much is this? Hold on. Turkey patties are $3.88, and then Ibotta will give you back 75 cents, so it makes it $3.13. So not bad, there's 4 patties. There's also turkey bacon that I have in my fridge. The turkey bacon is only $2.28. You're gonna get back 75 cents on that as well. Makes it just $1.53. This one is the best deal of all. This is the Bic Flex 3 Hybrid. It's for any of the hybrids. So the Ibotta rebate is $4 back. It makes it a moneymaker. So there's a couple different ways that you can get the coupons. All of these are $5.97. There is a $3 off coupon that you can print from bic.com, or we got them in our inserts depending on your region for $3 off. and we got those in our 9/8 Smart Source inserts. So if you use one of those, you're gonna pay just $2.97 out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back $4 from Ibotta. It makes it a $1.03 moneymaker. So super hot deal on this one. Definitely make sure that you take advantage of it. Be careful with the coupons. The ones from the 9/8 Smart Source says limit 1 per coupon per person per day per household. So anyway, it in essence means you can only use it one time. So if you use like one of those and then one from Bic.com, you can probably do 2, submit it twice, get $4 back twice, and then it's a moneymaker twice. So that's a good deal there. There are a few more deals that the items were not in my Walmart, but I wanted to at least share them with you in case they're in your Walmart. They're more freebies. So right here is the Mahatma Jasmine rice. They did not have it in my store for this size. It is the smaller size. It is $1.88. You're gonna get back $1.88, so it makes it absolutely free. So make sure you guys pick this up. It's the Jasmine rice. I'm sure it's pretty good, but it's a freebie and it counts towards your bonuses. The other deal I wanted to show you guys is the Hormel lunch meat. It is $1.97 listed right here. You're gonna get back, or the rebate that I have on my account anyway is $1.25. So you're gonna pay just 72 cents for lunch meat. So that's a super hot deal there as well. With doing all these, I wound up hitting my $10 pumpkin spice bonus and my $5 weekend warrior bonus. So all these wound up being free plus a moneymaker. So depending on what bonuses and things like that you guys have, these are some really great deals to do. If you have that top 20 saver that you're trying to do as well to get you to an additional $20 back, this is a good couple deals to help kind of get you there. It is a month long, so every week just make sure you're trying to knock out, I would say 20 deals per week, and then you'll definitely hit that and you'll get an extra $20 back. So if you guys have any questions or anything, just drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.